Up first this evening, the Jamaica Defense Force base at South Camp Road remains on lockdown this evening as the military commanders continue the search for two rifles believed to be stolen from the armory. The search began about mid-morning, as TVJ's Anthony Lugg now reports.
It was not business as usual at the Jamaica Defense Force base at South Camp Road Saturday morning. This after it was revealed that two M16 rifles were unaccounted for. When our news team visited the location earlier today, we observed detailed searches being carried out on the premises. TVJ News understands that all green spaces, unoccupied buildings, vehicles and scrap piles are ordered searched. Civil Military Corporation and Media Affairs Officer Major Basil Jarrett told our news center this afternoon that the military base remains on lockdown. Earlier today, Chief of Defense Staff Lieutenant General Rocky Meade said that all JDF members are confined to the base as his team search for the missing weapons. In a statement obtained by TVJ News, the JDF head ordered that all units conduct a muster and account for all personnel under their command. It's still not clear how the two M16 rifles went missing. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.